Hey guys, so I ordered a bread box. We just have I don't even have a lot of bread right now, but we usually have tons of bread just sitting on our counter collecting.
Round is a size. Yep.
And
that's my belly.
all of them were white for the most part, which is fine. But I like this one. This one is kind of neat because for a few reasons, but this is also a cutting board as well. But it was made from by a small company, Grand Rosie or Rossi, I don't know how they pronounce it. Really good reviews on Amazon.
USA made too, right? Small company, USA made.
Understanding, yes. So I'm gonna open it up, show you what it looks like, and see how much we can fit in there. I have been doing a lot of things lately to try to clean up our counter space and all that. So this is hopefully gonna help do that. So it's all bubble wrapped. I know some people were complaining that theirs had like dents in it, but they wrap it pretty well, so I'm guessing that would probably be transit. Okay, so here you have it. It's decent size. It's got some holes in the back so that it lets some air into the box. This is all like metal, and they have these.
I don't know if I'd want to chop fresh, like frozen stuff on that. It looks like it could be bamboo. I know there's a special type of closed cell and open cell that you'd want for your cutting board. We have a bamboo cutting board. Don't mind us. We had steaks. It was really good. Wish you guys could have had some. But this is more like I'm gonna cut some little bread on it and stuff and act as a top. So it definitely looks on the lighter side. So I wouldn't be chopping like frozen chicken on it to break it. Yeah, it does feel good, but I'm just saying I would hate to break your top is what I'm getting at for chopping other than just bread.
The idea of this is that you make like a fresh loaf of bread, put your loaf of bread on. So inside of here is a little thank you card. And as a small family-owned business, your review will help us tremendously. Please leave a review at Amazon.
We're going to do
that. If you
that.
need help with your item, we want to help you. Please email us for quick help. Jan and Carrie, owners, AccuBuddy, and the picture of it.
Jan and Carrie, thanks guys. We're going to play with this, and I haven't looked you up or nothing like that, so maybe you'll be on YouTube, and hopefully you guys will find it. Support the small guy.
Dimensions here on the box, 13 by 10 by 7. I wanted the big one. There are a lot, I don't know about this particular company, but there are a lot on Amazon that are half the size. It's not going to do us any good to get a bigger one. All of them are about the same size. The other one that I was looking at before I found this one, it was like the dimensions as far as like this and this were a little bit different, but not much. And yeah, so anyways. So we're going to...
That's an unopened loaf of bread, I believe, right there.
Loaf of bread.
And then that's a, 8-pack of buns, and that's what our other stuff. So
and
that works out really well. And then our counter won't be so cluttered. So. And
I have seen a lot of reviews where they literally will get Hawaiian rolls and hamburger buns, and there's a lot in here. So I just threw it in here because I don't have a lot of bread right now. But on the days that we do, I think you can probably strategically place it and get more in here than you really would. But now my counter will be cleaned off and bread won't just be sitting all over the place. And on top of it, it looks really nice. And I love all the farmhouse things, so it works out.
I'll have to get the boss. You just missed it last week. She made us some homemade French bread.
Oh yeah, that was good.
And I would love to try the cutting board out. I just.
I wouldn't fit on here though. That
one. Well, it'd be like an oversized load, and we'll have to mark it and cut accordingly to get it down.
Yeah, our French bread took off. I did 2 loaves, and I probably should have did the dough into 3 loaves, and the one was just huge. So.
It was really yummy, and Johnny, what did you think? Did you like it? Did you like?
Do you remember how big that one was?
Yeah.
Fighting over the bread. I guess I should tape us because it's like the mukbang on the cinnamon rolls because it's like every man for himself out there. The kids are swinging for the no, Dad. They take it because they know that I hide it and eat it too. It's really good. So I can't wait for her to shove some bread in there for us. homemade stuff and help the little guy out. So we'll check them out. Let's put this up on air, YouTube in it, and a link to their stuff. So thanks, guys.
Yeah, thanks.
And Jan and Carrie, thanks for the letting us buy your product. I like that. See y'all later, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.